Okay, so with that infinite loop, I had to totally close down idle because it was just stuck looping forever. So if we reopen idle, let's take a look at that file that we were working on called tutorial2 and go to Zero2Code videos tutorial 2. And if we take a look, we forgot to update our counter variable. Whereas the for loop handles the update for us, in our while loop, we always need to update our counter variable, which in the first or second, rather, tutorial video, you saw, actually still this one, I guess, we used counter equal to counter plus one. Now because this needs to happen a lot, there's a handy shortcut where you can instead just say counter plus equals to one.